Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It is still the 31st and we are looking at a down gap like we had seen. So here is the pre-market gap down right into the 102.50 area that we were watching. Pre-market bounced around there for a little bit based on its low, and then at the open you can see these lighter shades here. Let me just click on that and zoom out. You can see that we never actually filled that gap. One little test up, nothing really to speak of, and we have sold down now to the 102 area and put in a pretty good test of that. Lower swing high, higher swing low. This whole thing is a big symmetrical triangle here right into the noon hour Eastern Standard Time, but 102, you remember, is our pretty good last bastion of support in here. Anyway, sorry about that. I was probably doesn't seem like any time to you, but I was talking to one of my students. Came over to the house here for a second. Anyway, what we have formed here since the time I stopped talking and about 12:45 now is a nice descending triangle forming with another couple tests of this 102 area. Again, we're still holding up, but we are forming a nice low base now in context with the gap down. So it's kind of neat to have disappeared for a little while and have this show up so we can talk about it. Again, we're still in this range up here, but we are testing this again. So that's a little bit worrisome to the downside if you're long. The trend, we can check this out now, is looking right around 1.8. So that's nothing to sneeze at. The whole day it's been up above 1.5. So that's a good bit of volume flowing into stocks on the downward move. Trend Q is a little bit the opposite. It's right around 0.5. So unless this is short ETF causing this, this could be a little bit of a divergence. So 1.0 would be neutral, 0.8 to 1.2. Again, when I see this and I see a divergence like that, I look at the VIX, and the VIX is definitely basing on its high, which is the same thing as having the market base on its low if they're confirming each other, which they are. So I'd be very careful about going long, especially in this environment right here. Although you can see rebounds, but also be careful how you go short. Always, always. Nice little trend line test here as well on the daily on the VIX. So good stuff, everybody. Thanks again for being a part of FTV. You guys are awesome. I love your comments, and trade well.